Hi folks, my name's Mark Jordan from Western Pennsylvania School of Taxidermy. And over the years I've heard a lot of people saying, boy, I'd really like to come to your school, and it's an 8-week course, but I just can't get away with family and commitments to work. And I'd also like to mount my own deer someday. So what I've decided to do is start a 1-week course, and we're going to offer to where you'll be able to come in, and when you leave, you'll be able to successfully and very professionally mount your own deer. We will teach you from start to finish, prepping your cape, skinning one out, to the finished work and everything. We'll provide your own mannequins, we'll provide you a list of where to get things tanned, we'll provide an airbrush, paints, modeling tool, clay, just everything that when you leave here you can go home and mount your own deer. You can do your kids, people you work with, if you want to pick up a little extra money along the way, maybe to go on that hunting trip or family vacation. If you leave here and have any questions, you can feel free to give me a call. I'll always be here to help you. You can check out my website. All the information will be on there. Just go to info@pataxidermyschool.com. Thank you.